detail, our store ends in detail. This is Vidya and this is my mama. We
Hello.
both will be showing the sari store in detail. Our sari store basically located in Kerala, nearby Kochi, in a place called Kodamangalam. It's actually on the way to Munnar. It is just on the highway itself. As you can see, just 2 kilometers away from the town, Kodamangalam. So once you're passing by this way, you will see this beautiful banner with these 3 beautiful ladies with AIMS logo. That means you're very nearby our store. Our store actually have 3 different sections: sari, chudidar, and another section as well. We'll show the interior in detail. We also have revamped the interior as well. You can see the different logo. Yeah, we'll see the other sections in detail. I'll show you the interior of our store. We have 3 different sections. This is our chudidar section. This have nighties and running materials as well. And now we are going to our sari section. You see, we have multiple different types of saris and our staff is working quite busily. And these are all our saris. We have semi-Banarasi, brocade and etc. We'll see the sari in store section in detail. Now we'll go to another section that we have. This is our kurta section with this beautiful, our favorite painting on the wall as well. Yes. We have kurtis and tops here, and we also have different bottoms separately, and we also have multiple varieties of shawls. And this side it is cord sets, basically the top and bottom together, and the whole kurta, top, bottom and the shawl together. And now we'll see the sari section also in detail. Come here. We have varieties of saris in our store. We'll start from semi-Banarasi saris. These are all semi-Banarasi saris. All this is a Banarasi saris, and these are beautiful classy brocade saris. And here we come with semi-silk saris, semi-soft silk saris. Very beautiful and lightweight to wear. And these are all khatan saris and crushed tissue saris. And these are tissue, tussar saris. We have multiple varieties of tussar saris in different price ranges. For anybody of your own budget, you can get different varieties from here. And these are all tissue saris. And here we come with more varieties of tussars. Here comes the Kanchipuram style saris and silk saris, different varieties we have. This full section is Kanchipuram. And let's come to this side of the sari store. This is all casual wear, fancy saris, and some of the modal saris also, lightweight, very simple. And we also have kota saris, net saris.
All casual wear
And
sarees.
these are all like, this side fully is casual wear saris. Yes. And we have multiple
Super net.
varieties of super net saris and fancy saris
Semi-silk.
and semi-silk saris. These are all church wear saris. And we also have off-white and Onam special saris as well. And temple wear saris as well. Yes. So this is where our chudidar section ends. Here we have running materials. This is all the running materials here. And we have different color bottoms for these kurtas and chudidars as well. And here comes the branded nighties. We have multiple variety sets of nighties and
normal cotton nighties.
normal
also,
cotton nighties also.
And
here.
3/4 nighties. 3/4 nighties.
Yeah,
are
3/4
now
nighties are also in
very
trend right now
trendy,
and
yeah.
comfortable to wear.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
that is also we have, and these are underskirts
shapers,
and shapewears as well.
Different colors, all pastel
Yes.
dark colors we have.
Yes,
Then normal underskirts.
yes.
Yeah. Then lining materials, sari folds, everything we have here.
Everything that you need for saris and chudidars we have here.